Hello everyone and welcome to Marie's Scrappy Creations, where we sew the scraps of your life into beautiful creations. Only this video doesn't have any sewing in it, but I did go shopping at Marden's. I went about a month ago is when I filmed this, and I have to apologize because in my excitement on going in to see what they had for deals on fabric, I held my phone vertically instead of horizontally, so there's going to be black bars on the video. I apologize. Now, for any of you who are new, who have never heard of Marden's, I'm going to give you a few facts about it. Number one, I'm sorry you cannot order from them. They do not have a website. It is in-store only. The stores are only located in the state of Maine. So I just wanted to clear that up because you're going to see some good deals and you're going to wonder if you can have them too. And the answer is you have to come to Maine. Now, they are a surplus and salvage type of store, so they might get a good deal, like let's say a trailer truck kind of gets in an accident going through New York and a whole trailer full of sandals falls on the ground. They're going to bid and try to get that. I mean, they source their stuff from a lot of places, but that's how they started out, was that type of thing. Well, lately, over the past 15 years or so, they have been known for their fabric because they have continued to sell fabric, more and more fabric. A whole section of their store is a fabric store in itself. Now, not every Marden's has the same amount of fabric, the same selection. Where I am, I might go into my Marden's and let's say I found some with bluebirds and pansies on it and I love it and I buy everything that they have on the bolt. And then I go 40 miles south of me to the next Marden's. They might not have any of that fabric at all. So their little motto is, I should have bought it when I saw it at Marden's, and I have been burnt on that more than once. So when I see fabric I want and Marden's has it, I grab it. Okay, so I apologize for the black bars on the side of the screen. Also for my shaky hands. I was trying to handle fabric, the cart, and record for you guys, and I'm not really good at that. So anyway, you get to see what there is. So until next time, I'll say my goodbyes. If you haven't already, please think about subscribing. I do have some new tutorials that will be coming out soon. Had kind of a drought in that area lately. I have a lot of content you can go back and watch. I think that's about it. But until next time, remember, be kind out there. The world needs more of that. Okay, let's see what Marden's had. Guess where I am, everyone? I am at Marden's. And I'm going to look for fabric. What else? Who cares about the clothing and the helmets and the flip-flops? We have reached the fabric section. Goodness, that's adorable. They are $4.99 for the panel. Ooh, some counted cross-stitch kits. I used to do a lot of that. Dots. And everything is kind of color coordinated, and then they have like children's prints, sewing prints, so on, so forth. But let's just take this for example. $5.99 a yard. A lot of their fabric is now $6.99, whereas even 2 years ago most of it was $3.99, but still not complaining. Ooh, that's pretty. $4.99 a yard. I'm just randomly choosing. I want to see, normally they have Loralie fabric here, little bits here and there, and it's not always together, but it is usually on an end section and then up along the wall. So now I've come into like some of the novelty prints, I guess you'd call them. And children's, but basically grays and orange, and then children's and things start over here. This isn't anything that I'm after today, but I will shop and I will be back and let you guys watch. I just came down the next aisle and they have a whole lot of sunflower fabrics, which are gorgeous. Let's see. This one's $6.99. They're too tight to get out of there. $6.99. But I came down this aisle looking for sports team fabric for our local New England teams. Oh, we've got some Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, and some female John Deere. What's this one? Oh, Princess something or other. It's not a Disney princess, I guess. But they've got things like Captain Marvel. That's $5.99 a yard. Sorry, everything's so shaky. No tripod. I'm just rolling with it. Okay, here's their sports teams, and those are not local. Pittsburgh is not local to us. Bowling. I guess there's no New England Patriots, Boston Celtics, or Boston Red Sox fabrics today. But I am to the part that has sewing related fabric. This one's cute. And that is $6.99 a yard. I have some of this one at home. I haven't used it yet. I think someone put fabric away, because we've got some little chickies in with everything else. But I'm not seeing the sewing fabric that my friend made the bag out of. My friend made me a bag. I showed it a few weeks ago during What's Up Wednesday, and she got hers at her local Marden's. And of course I knew it was no guarantee that this one would have it, but it's worth a look. All right, if I come across anything great to show you guys, I'll be back. My goodness, I just walked down a little bit to a whole aisle of Loralie fabric. And if you don't know, she is going out of business. And I love her stuff. I have quite a bit of this one. I made a purse out of this one, this Tossed Gypsies, and that is $4.99 a yard. We've got flip-flops, bathing suits. Ooh, we've got the fairies. Oh, butterflies, I guess. $5.99 a yard. I'm doing this one-handed. And this is $5.99 a yard. All kinds of things. We've got the nursing, but I have that. See, everything that I was looking for isn't here. Okay, but that's okay. At least they had it. It wasn't all for nothing. I got to show you guys, right? And I'm sure there's many of you who would be like, I want that. I want that one. Okay. Oh, there's some more. I have some of her cat fabric, and it is adorable. And there's one I need to go with it, too. Oh, there's another one. $5.99 a yard for that. All kinds of cute stuff, isn't there? Oh, see, I can spot it in a crowd. There it is. Good old Loralie. Because usually it was down here on the end, all sectioned together, but they have quite a bit of it today. And this is where all their panels are, so they usually have some that match. And they do normally vary in price. These look about $6.99 a piece. And then these are their 102 to 108 inch quilt back fabrics, and I buy them all the time for inside my bags, because even if I just buy a half yard, I'm getting quite a big cut of fabric to make the little zippered bags with. Yeah, and as you see, they still have some Tula pink fabric, and that is $11.99 for 108-inch wide. Pretty nice. Oh, that's a pretty pink fabric too. Yeah, some of this is $8.99 a yard. Now I need a red and a blue today. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Yeah. Okay, so I want like a blue like this. And this is just 45-inch wide, but $4.99 is good. But let's see if I can find something I like just as well in the 108. And I also need a red, so I can check that out. Okay, this red is $7.99 a yard. This one's pretty too, isn't it? I have some of this. I bought 2 yards of this a while back, and still have pieces of it. A few weeks ago, I showed you guys some marijuana fabric I got to make bags with, and that was in the regular width. Look what I just found. 56 to 58 inches wide, $4.99 a yard. They only have 2 of them. Same price, but these bags would sell, and I'm going to grab a yard of each. So my husband just found this New England Patriots fabric, and I'm like, yes, perfect. $6.99 a yard. The only problem is it's flannel, and I'm just looking for regular non-brushed cotton. But anyway, I did find some fabrics. I'm going to get them cut, and yeah. They have some bundles over here, $29.99. I've never seen these in here, but they're a 17-piece fat quarter bundle. And they also have a layer cake, $22.99. While the worker is cutting my fabric, I just noticed here on the fabric cutting table that there is some toweling here. And this is $5.99 a yard, guys. See? White with red stripes, white with black, white with blue stripes. Now, if I didn't have 40 million projects ahead of me, then we'd do something with that on a tutorial. But so this is what I'm walking out with. I found, as I showed you earlier, I found the 56 to 58 inch wide for $4.99 a yard. My husband found this, and these are going towards making bags for the fundraiser for my brother. So this was $6.99 a yard, and I have the red. I just had my fabric cut, and I realized I have been standing here staring at these boxes. All their Christmas cottons, $1.99 a yard. And there's 2 boxes. Of course, they're not all full, but very nice, cutesy fabric. And then, I don't know if I've ever showed you guys, but they have all their cotton batting. I used to buy it this way before I started buying it on the bolt, but they have it all pre-cut, as you can see, 96 inches wide, and they sell it every, 3.5 yards, 4 yards, and then they have the polyester batting. So as you can see, the polyester is $2.99 a yard for the 57 inch, or you can buy a bolt for $179, and then the cotton is $9.99 a yard, 96 inch wide, or $269.73 for 30 yards. So 10% off. All right. Oh, they moved. I knew they moved the pre-cuts because I couldn't find them, but here they are. Not that I need any, so I will leave you at that.